Hi guys! Today on Cooking Up Love, we are making easy, cheesy, loaded tater tot nachos. These are a great quick dinner and an easy game day snack, and you'll see how quickly this all comes together. Top with your favorite taco and nacho toppings, pop it in the oven, and it's ready in just about 30 minutes. Here's the ingredients we'll be using: a pound of tater tots, a pound of ground beef, Velveeta, Rotel, beans, and all of your favorite nacho toppings. I've listed everything you'll need and the recipe in the description box. Start by preheating the oven to 425 degrees and cook the tater tots according to the package directions. While those are cooking, make the seasoned ground beef. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and dust it with seasoned salt. I'm using Lawry's. Add the pound of ground beef and cook this over medium-high, breaking the ground beef down into smaller pieces. Continue cooking until there's no pink left. And if you have any extra fat, remove it. This is a leaner blend I'm using today, so I'm just going to go ahead and add the taco seasoning. You can use your favorite, and I'll put the ingredients to make the spice blend I use down below. Once it's flavored to your taste, add a can of Rotel tomatoes and chilies, undrained. Then add 4 ounces of Velveeta cheese, and break this into chunks. Heat this over medium heat to melt the cheese, stirring every so often. And while this is cooking, start prepping the toppings for your totchos. I'm getting together some chopped tomatoes, cilantro, and avocado. Once the tater tots are cooked, I'm going to pile them into a medium-sized skillet. You could also do this all on the sheet pan. I'm going to serve these on the table in the skillet. Add the cheesy ground beef on top of the tater tots, and tuck in another 2 ounces or so of Velveeta cubes on top, and this will melt really well in the oven. Sprinkle on some black beans that have been drained and rinsed, and I'm going to add pickled jalapenos on top. Pop this back into the oven and bake for just about 10 or 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. Then top with your favorite nacho toppings. I've got the tomatoes, avocado, cilantro, drizzling some sour cream on top, and then dig in. It's cheesy, it's delicious. This is great comfort food that everyone loves. Hey guys, if you like this recipe, do me a favor and hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, we share new recipes every week, and I've linked up our playlist of easy dinner recipes for you here. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.